950 pound-feet of torque. Let me say that again. 950 pound-feet of torque from a diesel engine in a Class C motorhome that also comes with factory four-wheel drive and a 15,000 pound tow rating. Most Class A diesel pushers do not hit those towing numbers. Most commercial pickup trucks do not hit 950 pound-feet of torque. And the 2026 Dynamax Isata 6 Series delivers both of those numbers in a 34-foot coach, sitting on a factory Ford F600 4x4 chassis. This is not a typical Class C motorhome. This is something different entirely. And today on NextGen Motorhome, we break it all down. Let's go. First, the Isata lineup has 3 tiers. The Isata 3, the Isata 5, and the Isata 6. Each one sits on a different chassis with a completely different powertrain. We are going to cover all 3 today, so you know exactly what you are getting at each price point. Because the difference between the 3 series is not just price. It is a completely different class of machine. The Isata 3, the entry point of the Dynamax Isata lineup. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis with a 170-inch wheelbase. Length is 24 feet 7 inches. GVWR is 11,030 pounds. Towing capacity is 5,000 pounds. The engine in the Isata 3 is the Mercedes-Benz 2.0-liter inline 4 turbocharged diesel. 211 horsepower. 332 pound-feet of torque. 9-speed Mercedes-Benz automatic transmission. Fuel capacity is 26 gallons. Real-world fuel economy on this platform at this weight, 16 to 20 miles per gallon highway. That is the Mercedes Sprinter diesel advantage. On a Class C platform carrying 11,000 pounds loaded, 16 to 20 miles per gallon is remarkable. The Isata 3 gets Class B fuel economy in a Class C body. That alone is a compelling argument. The MSRP on the Isata 3 starts at $199,504 on the 24FW floor plan and $199,447 on the 24RW floor plan. Under $200,000 on a Mercedes Sprinter diesel Class C. That is a strong entry price for this segment. Now the Isata 3 has 1 slide out, sleeps up to 6, has front and rear hydraulic leveling jacks, power entry steps, a 16-foot power retractable awning, aluminum alloy wheels, full disc brakes front and rear, and a solar battery charging system standard. This is a fully equipped platform at the entry level. The Isata 5. Now we move into different territory. The Isata 5 is built on either the Ram 5500 SLT chassis with the Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel or the Ford F600 chassis with the Powerstroke 6.7-liter diesel. Both configurations produce 360 horsepower. Both are 4x4, factory 4x4, from the manufacturer, not an aftermarket lift, not a conversion. Length on the Isata 5 is 31 to 32 feet. The 28SS floor plan comes in at 31 feet 2 inches. The 30FW comes in at 32 feet 1 inch. 360 horsepower. And here is the critical number. The torque output on the Cummins 6.7 in this application exceeds 850 pound-feet. On a 4x4 chassis. In a 31-foot coach. The LiquidSpring Smart Suspension System is available on the Isata 5 with the Extreme Edition package. This is an active electronically controlled suspension, the same technology used in premium luxury vehicles that continuously adjusts damping based on road conditions, payload, and driving inputs. The result is a ride quality on a 31-foot motorhome that genuinely surprises first-time drivers. It also provides adjustable ride height, meaning you can raise the chassis clearance for rough terrain access. In a motorhome, the Xplorer package on the Isata 5 adds dual-pane dark-tinted frameless windows, an insulated cab curtain for lithium house batteries totaling 600 amp-hours, an 800-watt solar package, and an insulated utility bay with a secondary tank heater and temperature sensor. The Xplorer package turns the Isata 5 from a capable motorhome into a 4-season, all-condition touring machine. MSRP on the Isata 5 starts around $366,205 for the 28SS with the Extreme Edition and Xplorer package, and goes up to $378,526 for the 30FW with similar packages. The Isata 6. This is the one that started this video. 950 pound-feet of torque. Ford Powerstroke 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel. 330 horsepower. Factory Ford F600 4x4 chassis with a 22,000 pound GVWR. Torque shift 10-speed automatic transmission. 15,000 pound towing capacity. And a gross combined weight rating of 43,500 pounds. Let me put that in context. The Isata 6 GCWR of 43,500 pounds means the chassis is rated to handle the combined weight of the fully loaded motorhome in a towed vehicle totaling 43,500 pounds. That is commercial vehicle territory. That is a number you see on heavy-duty work trucks and freight equipment. Not on a 34-foot Class C motorhome that is also a home on wheels. The Isata 6 is 34 feet 1 inch long. It carries a dual fuel tank system, 40 gallons and 26.5 gallons for a total capacity of 66.5 gallons. At real-world fuel economy of 10 to 13 miles per gallon on the Powerstroke diesel at this weight, 66.5 gallons gives you a range of approximately 665 to 864 miles on a full tank. That is a real range number for a vehicle in this weight class. The DynaRide Plus suspension system on the Isata 6 is a purpose-built upgrade over the stock Ford suspension. For Bilstein gas-charged shock absorbers. MORide RSX rubber shear rear springs. Heavy-duty rear sway bar. The result is a suspension that handles the Isata 6 loaded weight without the body roll and wallowing that you get from unmodified commercial truck suspensions under RV loads. The 4-point hydraulic leveling system is standard on the Isata 6. Automatic leveling on a 22,000 pound GVWR coach. 1 button. The Onan diesel generator is standard. It runs off the same diesel fuel as the chassis engine, so you have one fuel type for everything. No separate propane generator fuel management. Diesel in, diesel powers everything. Active safety on the Isata 6 is the Ford Pre-Collision Assist system with automatic emergency braking. SOS Post-Crash Alert System. SecuriLock Passive Anti-Theft. Advanced Track with Roll Stability Control. Lane Departure Warning. 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. On a coach in this weight class, roll stability control is the safety feature that matters most. RSC detects when the vehicle is at risk of rolling over and applies individual brakes and reduces engine torque to bring the coach back into a stable dynamic range. On a high-profile vehicle at highway speed with a crosswind gust or an emergency steering input, RSC is the system that can keep a driver alive. MSRP on the Isata 6 is $298,299 on both the 30FW and 31KS floor plans. With the optional Xplorer package, theater seats, and lithium battery system, real dealer prices run from $300,000 to $315,000. Price comparison. The Isata 3 under $200,000 on Mercedes diesel. The Isata 5 at $360,000 to $378,000 on factory 4x4 with Cummins or Powerstroke diesel. The Isata 6 at $298,000 to $315,000 on the Ford F600 4x4 with 950 pound-feet of torque and 15,000 pound towing. Notice something. The Isata 6 is actually priced below the Isata 5 in base configuration. That is because the 5 includes more extensive optional packages in its common dealer configurations. The 6 power numbers and chassis capability at that price point represent genuine value in the Super C segment. How does the Isata 6 compare to a Class A diesel pusher? The Newmar Dutch Star we reviewed on this channel starts at $618,000. The Isata 6 at $298,000 gives you factory 4x4, 15,000 pounds of towing, 950 pound-feet of torque, and a cab-over driver position with better forward sight lines than most Class A coaches, at less than half the price of the Dutch Star. The trade-off is living space. The Dutch Star is 40 feet and 9 inches. The Isata 6 is 34 feet 1 inch. You give up floor space and amenity level to get the factory 4x4 capability and that extraordinary torque figure. For a buyer who values capability and value over maximum square footage, the Isata 6 makes a compelling case. The warranty. The Isata 3 on the Sprinter chassis carries the Mercedes-Benz chassis warranty. 3 years and 36,000 miles bumper to bumper, 5 years and 100,000 miles powertrain. The Isata 5 and 6 on the Ford chassis carry Ford's commercial vehicle warranty on the chassis. Dynamax backs all Isata models with a 1-year, 12,000-mile basic coach warranty and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty through Forest River. Who is each Isata for? The Isata 3 is for the buyer who wants Mercedes diesel fuel economy, a manageable 24-foot footprint, and a sub-$200,000 entry into a diesel Class C. The Isata 5 is for the buyer who wants 4x4 capability, serious diesel torque, and the LiquidSpring smart suspension in a 31-foot coach that genuinely goes places other motorhomes do not. The Isata 6 is for the buyer who wants maximum towing capacity, maximum torque, and factory 4-wheel drive in a Super C platform at a price point that significantly undercuts luxury diesel Class A motorhomes. No other single brand gives you this range of capability across one model lineup. That is what makes the 2026 Dynamax Isata series worth understanding in detail before you make a decision in this segment. Go drive one. All three. The difference between the Sprinter diesel Isata 3 and the Ford 4x4 Isata 6 is the difference between two completely different driving philosophies. Both are excellent. Neither is wrong. But they are not the same vehicle in any meaningful way, and you need to experience both to know which one belongs in your life. That is the 2026 Dynamax Isata series. Verified specs, straight talk, no filler. If this helped you, hit the like button now. Subscribe to NextGen Motorhome for a new American motorhome breakdown every single week. Drop a comment below. Are you in the Isata 3, 5, or 6 camp? And does factory 4x4 on a Class C change how you think about this segment? Tell me below. I read every comment. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.